Hi, welcome to GPAT.com. We are going to discuss about local anaesthetics. This chapter has been included in Medicinal Chemistry division of GPAT.com. It is impossible to provide effective dental care or a minor surgeries without application or use of the local anaesthetics. This drug class has an impressive history of safety and efficacy. Local anesthetic agent is a drug that when given either topically or parenterally to localized area produces a state of local anesthesia by reversibly blocking the nerve conductances. Local anesthetics or interrupt the neural conduction by inhibiting influx of the sodium ions. The typical local anesthetic molecule is characterized by the presence of three separate portions in the overall chemical structure. Aromatic ring, which provides lipophilic character to the local anesthetics. Amide chain or ester chain will connect the terminal group along with the aromatic ring. The terminal amine is usually provides hydrophilic portion to the local anesthetic molecule. The intermediate linkage of these molecule will makes the compound long-acting or short-acting. Aromatic ring will provides tissue penetration for effective absorption. Hydrophilic portion will give the local anesthetic molecule to form a respective salt formation. The local anesthetic molecule mainly contains three components like lipophilic aromatic ring, amide chain or intermediate chain. That intermediate chain is two types again, ester type and amide type, and terminal amine or terminal portion, which is tertiary amine, and it is hydrophilic in nature. Please follow the basic skeleton requirement of local anesthetics shown in the diagram. Coming to the structural activity relationships of local anesthetics, most of the clinically useful local anesthetics are having tertiary amino group at hydrophilic nature. Because of the tertiary amino group, they are providing pKa values of 7.5 to 9. The main component responsible for local anesthetic property from these molecules is formation of onium ions, and these onium ions are binding to the selective site within the sodium channels in the neurons. For this reason, any structural modification that alters maybe lipid solubility or pKa or metabolic inactivation is sometimes definitely interfere with the formation of onium ions, and which shows a significant and a pronounced effect on actual local anesthetic property. You are following local anesthetic chapter in medicinal chemistry division of GPAT.com. Lipophilic portion of the molecule is highly essential for local anesthetic activity. The portion of the molecule contains an aromatic group, or the aromatic group is substituted at two ortho positions, usually 2,6-dimethylphenyl group, attached to a carbonyl function through NH group. In the amino ester series, the electron donating substituent in ortho or para or both position increases the potency. Such a group is amino in case of procainamine, alkyl amino in case of tetracaine, and alkoxy in case of propoxycaine. Please refer the structures of the respective molecules for the better understanding of this concept. These electron donating groups will provide more electron density to the aromatic ring, both by resonance as well as by inductive effect. The resonance stabilized aromatic as well as inductive effect of these substituents will promote the local anesthetic property. It is generally accepted that local anesthetics having higher lipid solubility and low pKa values appear to be more rapid onset of action with minimum duration of action and also with low toxicity. Electron withdrawing groups is having the quite controversial as well as opposite effects, what actually we have discussed, like nitro group, carbonyl group and sinyl group reduces the local anesthetic activity. The shorter duration of action observed with chlorprocaine explained by negative inductive effect of this orthochloro group. Chlorine substitution is electron withdrawing in nature, and it will pulls the electron cloud or density what actually developed on the aromatic ring. When the amino or alkoxy group has been attached to the meta position, or however, the same negative inductive effect induced resonance delocalization has been takes place. Another important aspect of the aromatic substitution is amino-amides. In case of lignocaine, orthodimethyl groups are required to provide suitable protection from amide hydrolysis. You are following the local anesthetic chapter in medicinal chemistry division in a sample video. Coming to the intermediate chain, the intermediate chain makes the compounds different. If it is made up of intermediate chain is a type of carbonyl, then it is an ester group. Sometimes it is made up of CONH, that means amide type, which connects the hydrophilic and lipophilic portion of the actual local anesthetic molecule. Lengthening of these alkylene chain from 1 to 2 to 3 increases the pKa from 7.7 to 9 and 9.5. Thus, more lengthening of this intermediate chain effectively reduces the local anesthetic potency. The nature of this intermediate chain also determines the chemical stability, duration of action, and relative toxicity. Placement of the small alkyl groups, branchings, especially around ester function or amide function, also reduces the metabolic deactivation like ester hydrolysis or amide hydrolysis, and hence promotes the long duration of action. The hydrophilic portion will always makes the compounds more water-soluble salts with mineral acids, and this portion is commonly considered as hydrophilic moiety in the molecule. It is often suggested that tertiary amine function is needed only for the formation of water-soluble salt. However, it is quite conceivable that onium ions produced by protonation exclusively on tertiary amino group, and hence the rate limiting step in the pharmacological influence of local anesthetics is the onium ion formation. For more details of this chapter, please log on to gpattutor.com. You are following the local anesthetics chapter in medicinal chemistry division of GPAT Tutor. GPATtutor.com is a value-added service for the exam Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test for pharmacy students. This site will provide the preparation material, testing material, along with mock exams and expert made exams. The material was tailor-made and easy to understand and easy to grasp. This website is giving a complete comprehensive information about GPAT. You are following local anesthetics sample video in gpattutor.com. Thank you very much.